Hey, my name's Henny from Pink Elephant Media. We are an award-winning web development and training agency, and we are really excited to bring this training to you. We get asked by our clients, who are a mix of sales agents, recruiters, business owners, consultants, or speakers, how they can supercharge their leads through LinkedIn. And we're going to show you today exactly how you can do this. So our simple process will generate about 8 to 10 genuine sales inquiries through LinkedIn with just 30 minutes of work per day to set this up. So once this is set up, you literally are going to spend 30 minutes a day getting this going every morning, and then those leads will start to roll in, leaving you to do the jobs that really matter, which is converting those leads into sales. There's no need for Sales Navigator. We're going to show you exactly how you can automate your sales funnels on LinkedIn so your diary is crammed full of highly qualified leads, so you can grow and scale your business for just less than £20 a month.